Good afternoon, reporting from ET Techs, Hyderabad, and we are at stall Alpax Kids World. The stall looks stunning, I must say. We have got a lot of things, a lot of play toys and all, and I would like to hear it from them. Ma'am, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Your name, please?
My name is Dipali.
Dipali.
Yeah.
What do you do?
Actually, we are into designing and manufacturing of the play school equipment. So, if somebody want to start a preschool, we have under bundle of each and everything. Starting from like furniture, teaching aids, indoor, outdoor, everything we have.
Fine. Would you mind taking us around and showing us something?
Yeah, please come.
Thank you.
This is our highlight product actually. This is
Wow.
types.
No, come. Could you please show this? Take a look. You stand on it. Wow, this is amazing.
Yeah, this is called the floor tiles. Your school will put it in the sensory room or the activity area or in the corridor. So child can enjoy on jumping on it, sir.
Well, I'm enjoying already. I'm sure the kids are gonna love this.
Yeah.
This is something unique. I've never seen it.
Yeah, this is the new product launch in India. Yeah.
This is unique. Quite.
Yeah.
And what else have you got?
Like you can come here, we have this carpet for the schools. This is the one product, then we have in numbers and snakes and ladders also, like life says they can play on it.
Okay.
And the jungle theme also we have.
Amazing.
Yeah, so this is the one. And then we have the teaching aids of different kinds.
Okay.
So we have like Montessori also and the normal teaching aids. Like when we say Montessori, this is the one product. So child can use this finger and trace on it. So generally it's called when you do this with these nerves connect to the brain, so child can learn very easily this kind of.
Okay.
So this is the one product, and this is called the sound box. So we have 6 different kinds of the sounds in this. So child has to just shake and then match with this. So this is the product, one of the product. These are all Montessori products.
Awesome. I must say, all of them look elegant. Have you got anything unique? I mean, all of them have been unique. Something more interesting.
Yeah, same. And this one more products is there. So this has different pattern on it.
Okay.
So child has to, we have given the different size of weights.
Okay.
And child has to put it
Okay. Get it.
like this. So
Okay.
this is our one more new product recently launched. This is it.
Great.
And this is for the eye and hand coordination. So this is the tweezer.
Okay.
So child has to separate the things. Pick it
Okay.
up and separate. So this is good for the eye and hand coordination skills.
Nice. Amazing.
Yeah, and then we have the furniture also.
Oh, you're into furniture as well.
Yes.
Oh my God, that
We-
looks elegant.
Yeah, our factory is in Kukatpalli, Pragati Nagar,
Okay.
and we can customize what you want in the wooden items.
Wow, lovely.
Yeah.
I must say, great finish.
Yeah, true. Yeah, this is like a birch ply we are using. We have using pre-lamp boards. We are using MDF. Everything 3-4 types of pre-boards we are using for making the furniture.
Lovely.
And-
It's very safe for kids.
Very safe. Yeah,
Smooth finishing.
true.
Yeah.
And these are called the wall elements.
Okay.
Again, this is very good for the preschools actually. So they put it on the wall, on the corridor, or in the school first classroom, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
And kids get to play with.
Yes. Yeah, true. So these are our some products, and we are doing school projects also. Like if somebody want to set up some school, we are taking a complete project as well.
Thank you so much for the demonstration, ma'am. It was pleasure meeting you. Thank you. That was from a stall. Ma'am, the stall name is
Alpax Kids World.
Alpax Kids World. It was a pleasure talking to them. They've got some wonderful items. Do visit the stall. Thank you from Career Scan.